इलेक्शन में स्टेट में आप लोग बीजेपी के अलायंस से अभी जब एडीसी में ऑटोनोमस काउंसिल में इलेक्शन है तब अलग से आप लोग क्यों लड़ना चाहते हैं, क्यों एकदम ये मतलब क्या है?
Actually, this is the remote gathering basically on demand of a separate state, Tripura land or Greater Tripura land. This is in combination with our party, IPFT and Tripura, led by Maharaja Pratap Kishore. So this is the joint exercise towards democratic movement for achieving our demand a separate state in Tripura. On the other hand, in the democratic exercise, there are the elections of parliament and assembly of the state, and also local elections like district council election, panchayats, and so on. So in the present scenario, in the incoming months, in the month of April or earlier to March also, there will be likely the general elections of the district council on the one hand and the municipal councils on the other. So, although we IPFT having the political alliance and also in coalition of the state government, and in principle there should be combined exercise to face any election, whatever it may be. But in the past for 3 years or so, there were the elections of panchayats and also the parliamentary election of 2019, but we could not fight together because of the own political ideology either of BJP or IPFT. That's why in the panchayat elections we have made a friendly contest in between BJP and IPFT. Likewise, in the parliamentary elections also we hope to file separately our candidate. So, but about this general elections of the TLC, there are dialogues is on how it could be finalized, and that dialogue is still continuing. That dialogue is still continuing. It is not finalized, not yet. In any case, we are hopeful that in every aspect we shall be in a position just to have a meaningful exercise so that we can achieve our estimate goal either in the policy implementation or in the administrative exercise.
सर, अपोजिशन वालों का कहना है कि आप लोग इलेक्शन के कोई आपका कुछ चालाकी है, आप लोग बीजेपी में फिर आने जाते हैं, इलेक्शन के कुछ दिन पहले आ जाएंगे बीजेपी में, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
In the coalition scenario or the front scenario, there will be some sort of united decision or some sort of separate decision. It depends upon the political scenario and the scenario of the election.
आप लोग बीजेपी के साथ नहीं रहेंगे अभी इलेक्शन के बाद?
Pardon?
एडीसी इलेक्शन के बाद बीजेपी के साथ रहेंगे क्या असेंबली में?
It is now on in discussion in between the parties, two parties. We don't yet finalize yet.
Today, are you against BJP?
It is not like that because we are in the coalition partner. We are not against or opposed by any other among the frontal parties. No problem. Okay.